I'm no school teacher, but here's a cool math trick.
Oh, advert, is it YouTube?
In column 1, just write 0 to...
Skip. And another advert. No, it ain't. It's a spooky beat thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know the vibe. Come alive. Okay, Evan Music. Okay, Evan Music. Write something, Excel master, linguist, devil, spirit driven. I'm the dead, what's occurring? Gavin and Stacey, now they be shit staring. I'm talking my mind, learning, pop, yeah, oxygenized skies with the loom, with the love for the advancement in peace through 5G. Yeah, with the bass so crispy and wobbly, electric car, elevate the name of bizarre trip. Yeah, fit in a lowrider car, film, vision, lyrical precision, go spirit driven. Yeah, what's occurring, bro? Good to go, see, go, apparition on a mission. I'm not dissing, I'm not lipping. I'm a paralion, whatever that means. I can't remember. Wrote it the other day, hotter than the sun. Yeah, closer to the star than the TV. Navigation, navigator. Mum, talking to the stars. Mum, camera, eyeballs, you. The viewer, biblical, intuitive spirit, yeah, allegory, code, screw, yeah, yo, dirty lyrics, yeah, doer, yeah, yo, I'm in the antennae of a demon, devil mode, yeah, yo, something, tin, yeah, tuna code, yeah, I don't give a shit, I flow, yeah, yo, that random flow like talking crow, yeah, with the music to be murdered by flow. I study M and 2 and traumatic, used to toke the weed with David in the attic, yes, yo. Good to go, spirit on the flow, if you know how, bro. Good to go, see, apparition on a mission. I'm not dissing, I'm not lipping, I'm just being me. Writing something, Excel master, linguist, devil spirit driven. I'm dead, what's occurring? Gavin and Stacey, now they be shit steering. I'm talking my mind, I'm learning, yeah. Pop, oxygenized guys with the loom, with the love for the advancement in the peace through 5G. Yeah, with the bass so crispy, wobbly, electric car, elevate to another level, elevate the name of bizarre. Trim, fit in a lowrider car, lyrical precision, yeah, so on the guitar. Yeah, I'm a perihelion, yeah, hotter than the sun, yeah, closer to the star than the TV navigator narrative. Yeah, mum, yeah, talking to the stars. Yeah, mum, camera, eyeball, you the viewer. Yeah, original mongrel sound. Let's go, go. I pick up the Milford Haven too, though. Milford! Man, I shout any town out, man. Anybody want to shout out, drop your comment on the bottom and I'll shout you out. As long as it's actually your name and it's legit and not no fuck shit like. Yes, yo. But you know, now and again I shout my peoples out that is friends with me and my family and friends and my brothers and sisters. Yes, let's go there, Ghost Chico. Doing it with the exposure flow. The exposure flow. Put a 2-2 rifle in the woods, yeah, run away. Mental, that's when I was younger, man. Me and Di went hunting, man. When we were little kids. Don't fuck with guns now, man. No even knives. Fuck that. So, fuck that shit. Let's Ghosty go. Ghosty go. And the Andy Whippy. Elevate, resurrect. Let's Ghosty. Flow with the go, you know how, bro. Yeah, man, you know. Yeah. Common occurrences of the thought of my bros. And my main bro, man. Yes, yo. All the time. We've fucked up, we've done good deeds, we've done this, that, and the other. Yes, yo. Let's go, see, go. I'd love it if PT was here, man. Chilling on the chair or having a rap even. He used to rap, you know, in his car and in his house, yeah. let's go Chico, let's go Chico. If they call you fake, just say fuck it, have a bucket, chuck a lyric on the track. You walk back, mongrel back, yeah, yo, gotta go Chico, yeah, bounce on the flow, you know how we're gonna go. Tip to toe with a horn blow, but the bounce is landing, so there's mending, minimals and the DJ, positive energy with no enemy, elevate up there. Ooh, needed a breath after that. Don't be afraid, take what you need from me. We'll be strong together, amigos forever, ever, forever. Yes, yo, I'm not very clever, but I'm genius. Yes, yo. Gotta go, Chico. Gotta go, Chico. Bit of a mashup part. Bouncing, blending, soul is mending. Pardon me. One time for your in the mind. Good goes. Ah, fuck that bad. Oh well. You gotta take the bad with the good and the good with the bad, like. Let's go, Chico. I know what people are gonna be like. It's Coach Chico and a couple of things in between. Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing.